This is Nikolas from NikolasTubeHD. This is the MoYu cubing classroom gift box review. Hello, this is Nikolas from NikolasTubeHD, and welcome to another video. And we found out the name. Apparently it is the MoYu cubing classroom gift box package with a 2x2, 3x3, 4x4 and 5x5. So let's get into it. Okay. Let's see. I think I can use my hand for the tape on this. Yeah, that's okay. Bear with me.
Don't mess up.
Okay, let's get in this bit. Try to get this. Let's see what they feel like. I'm going to start with the 2x2. Yep, that's good. That feels really nice. Feels real smooth. Okay, so let's check the 3x3. That feels really nice. Okay, let's check out the 4x4. Yep, that feels really good. Okay, let's check out the 5x5. Yep, that's real nice. I recommend this, and this is not an ad. This is not a paid advertisement for me. I recommend it. Let's see what's inside this. I don't know if it's the instructions or something. Oh, let's see. No, it's called an algorithm. I can't believe I forgot that. So they really messed up, and I'm happy about that because I've got even more Rubik's speed cubes. Why did I call it a Rubik's cube? So I don't know how to solve one yet, but I'm going to practice on it as much as I can. But there's one trick I know how to do, but it's not really solving it. Just do this over and over again. There. Okay, and I think that will work with any speed cube, I think. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon. See you next time. Goodbye. Yeah, I almost forgot the most important thing.